Hello, my name is John Burns with Sitka Technology Group, and I'm here today to talk about the Water Accounting and Trading Platform. The Water Accounting and Trading Platform is an open source web application designed to facilitate effective accounting and management of water resources, enabling water managers and landowners to make informed water supply and land use decisions. The platform is a collaborative effort of the Rosedale-Rio Bravo Water Storage District, the Environmental Defense Fund, OpenET, Sitka Technology Group, and Westwater Research. We've developed a three-part video series to walk you through the platform. In this first video, we provide an overview of the platform and a demonstration of the accounting features in the platform. You can learn about the trading and modeling scenario features of the platform in the two other videos. Now let's get started. This graphic illustrates the main features of the platform, which was co-created with the landowners in Rosedale. At its core, the accounting portion of the platform allows landowners and water district staff to track their annual water allocations and current water usage in near real time. Water use on agricultural lands is measured by satellites as part of the OpenET platform, that's Open Evapotranspiration. Landowners can use the platform to view their available water allocation, their use is measured from the satellite remote sensing data, and determine whether they're likely to have sufficient water to meet their agricultural demands. If the platform is used to support a groundwater trading program, users can determine whether they might need to be a buyer or seller of water and use the platform to find a counterparty to trade water with. The water use data in the platform comes from OpenET, a web platform being developed by NASA, the Environmental Defense Fund, and the Desert Research Institute. OpenET uses satellite-based data to calculate evapotranspiration, a key water metric that is particularly well suited to tracking water usage in Rosedale. You can find out more about the OpenET project on the platform's About page. Water supply. Water managers can input water supply data into the platform to help create a detailed water budget for landowners. The water budget. The water platform combines water supply and use data to provide each landowner with a water budget for the year. The platform enables a landowner to check their water budget and outstanding balance online, similarly to how you might check their bank account balance. The platform also features a Landowner Dashboard to track and account for water across the entire district, which could then inform billing as done in Rosedale. Water trading is an optional add-on function that can be built on top of the accounting platform to help landowners more flexibly manage their water resources. And finally, the modeling scenarios. The platform utilizes the Groundwater Evaluation Toolbox, GET, to better understand the potential impacts and benefits of water management strategies, such as water trading or recharge activities prior to taking action. The GET toolbox, which was developed by the engineering firm Olson, based in Lincoln, Nebraska, is an optional add-on feature to the accounting and trading platform. Because the platform is open source, groundwater agencies, consulting firms, and any interested user can take this platform and customize it as they see fit with no license fees required. Now that you have a better understanding of the overall structure of the platform, let's take a look at the platform itself. Within a web browser, you'll navigate to the site at waterplatform.edf.org, and you'll notice the EDF branding on the website. Because Rosedale's platform includes private landowner information, we created an EDF demonstration version of the platform, which uses anonymized landowner data. This is the version of the platform that we will demonstrate today. To use the full functionality of the platform, a user must first create an account. You can click the Sign In button and see the Create Account link here. After clicking Create Account, you'll be prompted to enter a username, email address, and your first and last name. You will receive a validation email confirming that the email address you've entered is correct. From there, you'll be able to log into the platform. I'm logging in as a demo user for the purposes of this training video. Once you've logged in and your account has been appropriately configured, you'll be directed to your Landowner Dashboard. The first time you use the platform, you'll read and acknowledge a disclaimer. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Landowner Dashboard. The Landowner Dashboard is a place where a landowner, farmer, or producer goes to understand their available water usage and the parcels that are being managed in the system. A landowner may choose to use this information in the Landowner Dashboard to determine whether they're likely to have excess water or insufficient water for the growing season. You can change the active year that's being managed. For the purposes of the training video, let's use 2019. In this example, the landowner is managing 110 acres of land and has an allocation of 433 acre-feet of water. The Landowner Dashboard gives you the opportunity to view your data in volume in acre-feet or in depth, acre-feet per acre, for folks who want to see a more relative measure of water use. As we toggle the various units, the display updates automatically. The water budget overview shows the different types of water that have been allocated for this particular landowner. The EDF demo platform is set up similar to the Rosedale Rio Bravo site, in that there are 5 types of water that are managed, and each type of water has different rules associated with its use. You can click on the question mark to show the definition of each water use type. At the moment, this particular landowner's dashboard does not show any water being purchased or sold. In the next trading video for trading, we'll show how the trading and buying and selling of water will occur within the platform. You can also see via the chart the water usage to date as measured by the OpenET program remote sensing data and the average usage over historic years via the black line. The blue bars show the OpenET water usage and the black line shows the average annual consumption for all years present in the platform. And then the total available supply is the red line, which is set by the district managers for the landowners. Another feature of the Landowner Dashboard is the ability to look at historic years to understand usage allocation and any trades that may have occurred in previous years. You can change the active year using the dropdown in the top right of the Landowner Dashboard. You can also click the question mark on the water allocation and usage chart to learn more about how water allocation is measured. The Landowner Dashboard also includes a detailed breakdown of water usage by parcel, which will be highlighted in multiple colors if a landowner happens to manage more than one parcel. You can see any trades that the landowner has participated in and a map of the parcels that they manage. Location of mapped wells is also shown. Next, I would like to demo the user experience for an administrator or groundwater manager. For this demonstration, I'm going to sign in with my own personal account rather than the demo user account. So I'll sign out and sign back in. When you log into the platform as an administrator or manager, you are directed to the Manager Dashboard, where you get to see some district-wide statistics for the current year or previous years. The administrator can also view district-wide statistics and volume in acre-feet or depth in acre-feet per acre. Here we can see the district-wide statistics showing the various types of water that have been allocated for producers. Again, the EDF demo platform is set up similar to the Rosedale Rio Bravo site in that there are 5 types of water being managed: native yield, project water, stored water, precipitation, and reconciliation water. You can also see the district total allocation and water usage. Please note that the types of water that are used in the EDF demo site and the Rosedale Rio Bravo water accounting platform can be customized for use in other districts or other geographies. The Administrator Dashboard also has a view of all available trades, and we're able to view an account usage report where all the billing accounts within the district can be seen. You can click through to the Landowner Dashboard for any of the accounts, and you can see the total allocation, how that allocation is made up by the various types of water, any water that has been purchased or sold in the district, and any user who might be in surplus or deficit. A manager will need to set the available water allocation for the properties within their district. They do this through the Manage Water Allocation page. Click here. This is where an administrative or management user can set the available water usage for the various water types. When a new user creates an account in the platform, they must be assigned permissions associated with a billing account. A manager would come to the Manage Users page to do this. Here you will see a list of any users who are awaiting action in terms of being assigned a role, the current set of users in the site and their accounts and their roles. There's also a feature to invite new users to the platform. For example, rather than requiring a landowner to create their own account, you can proactively create an account for them by entering their name and email address and assigning them a role and one or more water usage accounts. When you invite a user, they will receive an email with instructions encouraging them to get into the platform and view their dashboard and consider whether they might like to start trading. So this concludes the demo of the accounting portion of the EDF Water Accounting and Trading platform. If you're interested in using this platform in your region, please contact Christina Babbitt with the Environmental Defense Fund or me, John Burns with Sitka Technology Group. Please watch the other training videos on trading and the modeling scenarios to learn about other features of the platform. Thank you for your time.